Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we put products head-to-head so you don't have to. Today, we've got an epic showdown between two tiny titans of the sky, the TOMZON A23 mini drone and the ATTOP drone W. Let's see which one's gonna make you the king of the backyard. First up, let's talk money, honey. The TOMZON A23 comes in at a wallet-friendly $39. Meanwhile, the ATTOP W10 is flexing with a $69 price tag. That's right, folks. The W10 costs almost as much as a fancy dinner date. So if you're looking to save some cash, TOMZON's got your back. But hang on, let's see if that extra $30 on the ATTOP is worth it. Ease of use is a biggie, especially if you're a kid or, let's be honest, an adult who's as tech-savvy as a potato. TOMZON A23 is basically the drone equivalent of a push-button start car. It's got one-key takeoff and throw to go, so even if you throw like a T-Rex, this drone's got you covered. On the other hand, the ATTOP W10 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Toss to launch? Check. One-key takeoff/landing? Triple check. And let's not forget the altitude hold function that makes it hover like your mom over your shoulder when you're doing homework. So both are super easy, but the ATTOP W10 has just a tad more flair. Now, let's talk about fun features. The TOMZON A23 is like the life of the party, with its 3D flips, high-speed auto-rotation, and circle fly. It's basically the drone equivalent of that one friend who won't stop doing karaoke. But wait, the ATTOP W10 is here to steal the spotlight with 360 degrees free flips, trajectory fly, and 3-gear speeds. It's like a drone on steroids. And don't even get me started on the headless mode, which means you don't have to figure out which way is front. Perfect for those of us who can't even assemble IKEA furniture. All right, let's get to the nitty-gritty. Camera quality. The TOMZON A23 doesn't have a camera, so if you're hoping to capture some epic aerial shots, you're out of luck. It's like a flying potato. Fun to throw around, but not exactly a photographer's dream. The ATTOP W10, however, is packing a 1080p FPV camera with a 120 degrees wide view. That's right, folks, you can capture those Instagram-worthy shots and even share them with a single click. It's like having a flying GoPro, minus the risk of it getting lost in the ocean. Now, let's talk safety, because nobody wants a trip to the ER. The TOMZON A23 is built like a little tank with quality tough materials and propeller guards. It's perfect for kids who treat their toys like WWE wrestlers. The ATTOP W10 also doesn't mess around with its high-quality ABS material and propeller guards. Plus, it comes with 4 spare propellers, because, let's face it, accidents happen. And, just in case you're a bit too ambitious with your flying, the remote's got a low battery alarm to save the day. When it comes to user feedback, the TOMZON A23 is praised for its durability, ease of use, and affordability, making it a great gift for kids and beginners. However, some users noted the short battery life. On the other hand, the ATTOP W10 receives mixed reviews. While it's lauded for its advanced features and camera quality, some users struggled with its control and reliability. Overall, the TOMZON A23 is seen as a solid, budget-friendly option, while the ATTOP W10 is considered a feature-packed but pricier choice. So there you have it, folks. The TOMZON A23 is your go-to for a budget-friendly, fun, and easy-to-use drone. But if you're looking to splurge a little for some extra features and a killer camera, the ATTOP W10 is your guy. Either way, you're in for a good time. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another epic showdown on Buy Smart. Let us know in the comments which drone you're rooting for, or if there's another product battle you want to see. Until next time, happy flying! Product links are in the description.